Are they shallow mount? What side type of?
They're shallow mount.
Okay. What brand? Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Downfire Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I do a lot of videos on YouTube.
Okay.
Jacob, how you doing, man?
Just fine.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My wheels, I've got 2 Downfire 10s and integrated iPad.
Wow, that's a big iPad. So the 10s are under the seat?
10s are under the seat.
What vehicle?
Ford F-150.
F-150, okay. Are they shallow mount? What side type of?
They're shallow mount.
Okay. What brand?
JL Audio.
Okay, nice. So your sub's right here, and right here on the other one. Nice. That's pretty cool. And you got a little bit of ventilation for it. I was wondering how your output was, and you don't have a port, so they're sealed. Very nice. On just a 1,000 watt amp at 1 ohm, you got a spider. It's just a daddy long leg. Very nice. Looks good. Thank you for showing me, man. I like to check them all out, man. Hope you had a good show. Thank you. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of his dual tenant shallow mount subwoofer system. This was the speakers I'm pretty sure he had firing downward in his F-150 truck system. Looking forward to giving you all a 2-song demo. This was the specs I got from the actual JL Audio site if you want to take a quick read. These are very shallow mount subs rated at 400 watts RMS continuous power. Looks like they're rated between 3 and 500 watts, what's rated for to handle. So, and if you notice the way that box is made to handle that magnet right up against that box. The way he has it wired is at 1 ohm, so it's not the most cleanest install, but it got the job done, and it's probably a daily driver, and he has people have in the back seat, so you can put the seat down, not have to worry about the subs getting hit. So the JL Audio 1000 amplifier. And I like the way the box has a little magnet point so it doesn't hit the box all the way. And this is a sealed box for dual tenant sub shallow 1,000 watt system. We're getting to the demo now. 2 songs he's going to be giving us. So welcome to my channel. Subscribe for daily videos and enjoy. Sweet.
something new to say. Like what? Let's name it something
Really?
For showing me, man. I like to check them all out, man. Hope you had a good show. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.